afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2015 Aston Martin V12 Vantage S Roadster. And this is finished in Dana Point White. Got a 5.9 liter V12 engine with a 7-speed Sportshift automated manual transmission. 19-inch 10-spoke satin black wheels. And carbon ceramic brakes. Pilot Sport 4S tires wrapped around. And as you can see here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Lots of nice carbon fiber goodies on the vehicle, side blades, and the hood exits, as well as the front grille and front lip. Carbon fiber extends to the mirror covers, as well as the door handles. Back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, fantastic shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Black brake calipers back there in excellent condition. Some more carbon fiber back here in the taillight housings, as well as the rear bumper. This is equipped with a aftermarket Fab Speed exhaust, so it gives it a nice note. We do have the factory exhaust that can be installed at an additional price if you choose to do so. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, same as the others. Fantastic shape, no curb rash, no scratches. No dents, no dings, no scratches on the car. And finally up here at the passenger front, same as the others. Fantastic shape, no curb rash, no scratches. This does have a clear bra protective film installed on the front of the vehicle. Quarters, hood, front bumper, all have the PPF. Take you to the interior. The pure black leather over winter wheat leather. And some dry carbon door handles here. Aston Martin leather floor mats. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Got your pop-up monitor there with navigation as well as backup camera. Multi-function steering wheel. And instrument cluster. You have digital speedometer, and the vehicle currently has a hair over 9,400 miles. Nearly $50,000 in options. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can get us here at 614-793-1050. There'll be tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.